In this video, grid system's worst enemy and some defense mechanisms you can adopt to protect your money. You should already be familiar with grid trading systems, but if you aren't, they are simple strategies that place buy and sell orders at fixed price intervals. Grid systems profit from price fluctuations, locking in profits, and letting losing positions open until the price come back to their take-profit target. Grid systems do their best in mean reversion conditions and instruments, where price moves up and down, but usually coming back to a mean. Because of the floating losses and positions left open, the worst enemy of grid systems are strong and extended trends. As per design, in a strong trend without significant retracements, a grid strategy will keep opening trades at the set intervals. This will increase exposure and unrealized losses, ultimately resulting in either extreme margin requirements, drawdowns, or accounts wipeouts. Grid systems assume mean reversion, but markets do not always revert. Big news events, central bank actions, or fundamental shifts can push price relentlessly in one direction. This is why many traders say grids are doomed if left unchecked. There are some countermeasures that traders can adopt to mitigate the impact in strong trends. Some generic ones are: manual intervention. Step in when markets behave abnormally or when a grid drifts too far. You can temporarily handle orders or suspend trading until better conditions return. Back testing and forward testing. Study the strategy on multiple pairs and different market conditions to understand its limits. Position sizing and gap distance. Keep lot sizes conservative and gaps wide enough to handle volatility and limit excessive exposure. Pair selection. Choose pairs that tend to range rather than trend aggressively, and be cautious around high-impact news events. Beside the generic mitigation measures, GridX was designed to go beyond these basics, adding protections that most standard grid systems do not have. GridX also includes the following risk management measures: a maximum loss limit, closing baskets before they destroy the account. A maximum basket duration, forcing trades to resolve within a set time, or close otherwise. Range boundaries, allowing grids to only operate within safe price zones. And a close oldest order mechanism, where instead of endlessly adding trades, GridX can close the oldest position once a set order limit is reached. The examples presented may not be perfect, but give you an idea, or the risk mitigation available. In GridX, you can also use different options at the same time, although it's always better to keep it simple. Grid trading can be powerful and profitable, and yes, it carries high risk as well. You need to take into consideration many factors and test thoroughly, and even then, there is no 100% guarantee of success. No trading systems have. Hopefully, these parameters in GridX will be useful to contain the risk, experiment yourself, and find your balance.